Most investors don't realize this, but your bank statements can either strengthen your loan application or completely destroy it. Underwriters read bank statements like a financial biography. They reveal your habits, your liquidity, your stability, and whether you operate like a professional or a gambler. And if you know how to present your bank statements correctly, you can dramatically improve your approval speed and loan terms. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use your bank statements to strengthen your application, not sabotage it. 1. Underwriters look for stability, not perfection. You don't need 6 figures in the bank. You don't need perfect cash flow. Underwriters want to see consistent balances, no overdrafts, no erratic swings, logical deposits, clean withdrawals, stable patterns equals lower perceived risk. 2. Show full statements, not screenshots. This is the #1 beginner mistake. Lenders need ALL pages, full PDF copies, name plus account number, visible, date range clear. If you send screenshots, the underwriter assumes you're hiding something, even if you're not. 3. Avoid overdrafts. They send the worst signal. One overdraft might not kill your file, but consistent overdrafts equals bad financial management. Underwriters start questioning liquidity, cash flow, borrower responsibility. A single overdraft creates a condition. Multiple overdrafts create doubt. 4. Explain large deposits before being asked. This is where smart investors shine. Underwriters must source large deposits. Examples that require an explanation: cash deposits, transfers between accounts, one-time income refunds, business distributions. A one-sentence explanation prevents a 48-hour delay. 5. Keep personal and AMP business accounts separate. Mixing funds confuses underwriters and slows down your file. Use separate accounts for rental income, rehab budgets, reserves, cash flow. Clean separation equals easy underwriting. 6. Maintain strong reserves. Reserves matter more today than ever. Most lenders want 3 to 6 months PIDIA or more for portfolio growth. Reserves show strength, safety, lower lending risk. Strong reserves equals stronger approvals. 7. Use bank statements to tell a clear story. Underwriters want the story behind your finances. Your statements should show organized inflow, predictable outflow, investor professionalism, real liquidity. If your statements look clean, you look reliable, and reliable borrowers get approved. 8. Send statements early and correctly labeled. Label files like a professional. January 2025 bank statement, ALL pages.pdf, reserves, savings account, March.pdf, fast, clean submission equals faster underwriting. The payoff: using bank statements properly can improve your approval chances, reduce underwriting conditions, speed up turn times, improve pricing, increase lender confidence. Your bank statements tell a story. Make sure they tell the right one. Educational content only, not financial advice.